Hi guys, if you want to win a street fight, then you should not miss this video and build your confidence and finish your scare, because in this video we'll teach you how to defend yourself if someone grab you from the behind in the street fight. Must watch till the end. If someone grab you like this, then watch very carefully. Step number 1. Twist your body like this and keep your legs in this position as you can see in the video. And if he grab you again like this position, then here you will play a trick. Here watch very carefully. Place your leg on his knee back like this position. Now here you will lift your body upward. You can see his balance going out and he fall down. Guys, now I will show you this technique in real, how it works or not. He will resist and I will apply this technique.
Number one.
Guys, now I will show you this technique from the other side so you can understand better. When you grab, step number 1, twist. When you grab again, step number 2, keep your leg behind his knee and lift your body upward. Yes. We are very grateful to our subscriber who watch our video full and support our channel and like our video and comments. And if you want to learn more interesting videos, then subscribe our channel and share video, and don't forget press the bell icon. Thank you.